A person bought an article at rupees 380 and spent 20% of the selling price. Now this is a very important part, right? He spent 20% of the selling price on repairing that article and got 20% profit, right? So he has spent 380 rupees in buying the article. He has spent 20% of the selling price. Remember, 20% of the price at which he is going to sell on repairing that article, and still he has made up 20% profit. So the cost price of the article would be, right? If you're wondering, cost price of the article is 380, you're wrong, because cost price here, overall cost price will be how much? It will be 380 plus the amount that he has spent on repairing. Are you able to follow? So the cost price of the article will be 380 plus repairing amount, which is 20% of the selling price. 20% of the selling price, right? The cost price, this is C. So I can actually say that C is equal to 380 plus, see, 20% of selling price is how much? 20% is 0.2 S. This is the cost price. What is the selling price? Selling price is S only. Selling price is S. What is the profit? 20% profit. Use the formula, right? You know that profit is equal to S minus C by C into 100. Now do the calculation. So 20% is like 1 by 5, right? 20% profit is like 1 by 5. So I can say 1 by 5. Again, you need not write 100 there. 20 by 100 will become 1 by 5. S minus C by C into 100. So S minus C. C is how much? 380 plus 0.25. But since it is negative sign, it will become minus 0.2 S, right? So minus of 380 plus 0.2 S will give minus 380 minus 0.2 S divided by C again, which is 380 plus 0.2 S. Simplify now, cross multiply. So what do we get? 380 plus 0.2 times the selling price is equal to, see, S minus 0.2 S. S minus 0.2 S is how much? 0.8 S. 0.8 S into 5. 0.8 S into 5 is how much? 4 S, right? Minus 380 into 5 or 5 into 380, let us say. Okay. Now simplify this. What happens? If you take 0.2 S on this side, 4S minus 0.2 S is 3.8 S equals to, how much is this? 380 plus 5 into 380. 380 plus 5 into 380. I mean, if you are smart, you will directly write 6 into 380. 380 plus 5 into 380 is like 6 into 380, right? If you take 380 common. So basically 3.8 goes how many times here? 100 times. 100 plus 100. So basically selling price S comes out to be how much? 100 plus 5 into 100, 600. Selling price is 600. Now if you have marked 600 as the answer by seeing selling price is 600, you are wrong, because the question asks us to find out the cost price. Yes or no? The question is about cost price, not about the selling price. How much is the cost price? 380 plus 20% of selling price. Now if selling price is 600, how much is 20%? 120, right? So we can say in the next step that the cost price C is equals to 380 plus 0.2 into whatever, 600. Now 0.2 into 600 is 120. 380 plus 120 is 500. So option A, 500 will be the answer.